everyone have their own personality, everyone have their own the way they study, the way they work, but everyone was striving to get good grades and to help each other out.
I'm Glenn Herbert, and I'm an editor with Our Kids. We're speaking with insiders from Canada's leading private schools to gain insights into their programs, culture, traditions, and leadership. This includes insights from parents, alumni, and administrators. This is the Our Kids Insider Perspective.
The small size class and the small size school, because I feel like everyone is familiar. You basically know everyone, so you're comfortable every day. You see the familiar faces. Also, like smaller class, you have more individualized learning experiences. So I became really close with my teachers. I wasn't afraid to ask questions, and I feel like all of that helped me in my learning and helped me in my success. The people, I would say, the other private schools, I can't compare because I stayed in Kells, but I from what I know from Kells is the people, the administration, how much they care for the students. They really want them to strive. They want them to be the best that they want to be. They always give us extra hours, extra time, especially the teachers as well. I remember I always stayed after school and asked questions, and they never said no. They were always welcoming. And that, like I said, the smaller school, you become closer in the sense that it becomes like a family. Genuine, it's unifying, and it's successful. Genuine, I would say it's that the people, basically, like I mentioned, a lot of care, a lot of passion was given to the students, and between the school as well, the administration, everyone loved each other and gave each other respect. Successful, it was able to get me to where I wanted, which I appreciate a lot, and I take that as a success. Um, and unifying is they always wanted to bring everyone together. They wanted everyone in the class to be good to each other. They wanted us to always be able to be comfortable approaching one another, approaching the staff and the higher classes. As well, in between grades, we all had friends between grades. It wasn't just within the same grade. So I like that about the school. Hardworking as well. Say yes. Everyone have their own personality. Everyone have their own the way they study, the way they work, but everyone was striving to get good grades and to help each other out. I would say excellence, but in each individualized way. Like it doesn't have to be what society thinks is excellent. It's just the best what the student can be. I think that's a good value that Kells holds. Possibly the size of the students, like the student body and of the school, because I don't think there's a lot of schools that are in a smaller size. But I think that's a very positive. Every person that I know that are visiting the country from my home country, I always advise them to go to a smaller body because I it's comfortable and you really get to know everyone. I've become much more confident in who I am because of the school. I came as a very shy individual from a different country, um, developed my English was good, and then Kells helped me develop it more. I became much more sure of myself from Kells. It was basically high school is the time where you know yourself and you get to know yourself, and I believe from the teachers and how everything turned out to be, I really my confidence basically, and I got to know myself more. Oh, that's a hard question. Maybe like add more subjects, a bit more freedom in what subjects to take. And I know that right now some programs or the education system is going towards adding more different material or different subjects, depending on the student. Maybe that I would have added possibly. Yeah, so I visited Kells about 2 to 3 times, and every time it seems very familiar, but yet different at the same time. I think they've evolved majorly technology wise. They've incorporated it a lot, which I think is very good, especially in our society today. Everything's based on technology. I think that's the main thing that I noticed in Kells, the big difference. But everything else, I would feel that it had the same ambiance, which I appreciated. I would never want it to change. Um, the administration people are great. I've always had a close bond with the staff, which I appreciate to this day. But yeah, I would say the technology is very important to
Awesome.
students learning. Yeah, the teachers. That's one big reason. They're very caring. They're very passionate of what they do. They like coming into work every day. They want to help the students as much as they can. And like I said, the 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 size of the classes, um, and the last thing would be Cal's had a lot of also fun activities in between sessions. Like my best memories that I do remember are lunchtime. They have ping pong tables. There's a park outside. There's many areas and restaurants near Kel's. So yes, you have to work hard and study hard to to get to where you want to be. But also you want to have fun in school because you're never going to get high school again, and I've always appreciated those moments because were my best memories.
And outside of those three reasons,
Mhm,
what would you say to a family that's considering sending their child to Kells, but they're on the
mhm.
fence about it and you want to bring them more to the yes side?
You can only convince someone from your experiences. I would just convince them like I am where I am today is because of Kells. So like if you really want your son or daughter to be comfortable, to learn, to have a good experience where everyone is good to each other and good to the students, why not? I feel like the kid will grow and be who they want to be. Other than in addition to everything that I've said earlier, I wouldn't have changed my experience at all. I would say take one day at a time. High school is hard. It's the time where you're growing and understanding yourself and understanding which areas you're good at, which areas you're not good at, and it's perfectly normal. You're gonna have the stress. You're not gonna be great at everything, but study well, study hard because it will help you to get to where you want to be, especially in high school, because it also shows you the direction that you want to go. But ask as many questions as you can. Kells is an amazing school that has that. The teachers are always there. Don't be shy, and don't forget to have fun as well with your peers and with the extracurricular activities. I enjoyed that a lot. It gave me a lot of like stress relief. I got to focus on other areas as well. Well-roundedness. Basically, keep yourself well-rounded in Kels. I'm thankful to have gone to Kels. It was a big part of my life as a young as a teenager and a young adult. And I would advise the kids to be who they are, don't change, because that's the way you're going to be comfortable in your own skin, comfortable around the people you're around, and enjoy Kells, enjoy it, because it has a lot to bring. It has a lot of attribute. It has a lot of qualities and experiences that you can get out of it. And study hard, study well, because you need those in order to achieve what you want.
For more information about this school, you can visit their profile at ourkids.net.